ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ 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 ਸਤਿਗੁਰ ਨਾਨਕ ਪ੍ਰਗਟਿਆ ਮਿੱਟੀ ਧੁੰਦ ਜਗ ਚਾਨਣ ਹੋਆ
Once upon a time, the rulers used to rule everywhere. There were religious fights, jealousy, but no one came forward to solve the problem. Then fortunately, the birth of a divine spirit took place. His name was Nanak, that is Guru Nanak Dev Ji. He was born at Rai Bhoi Talwandi on Kartak Purnamasi, that is full moon of the Kartak.
ਸਿੰਘ ਬੁਕੇ ਮਿਰਗਾਵਲੀ ਪੰਨੀ ਜਾਏ ਨਾ ਤੀਰ
Gopal Das, an astrologer, had predicted his future that he will be the divine spirit. He is going to solve the problem of the people, and he has came forward for the benefit of the whole world as a whole. His sister Bibi Nanki loved Baba Nanak a lot and used to play along with him in the garden as well. But Guru Nanak Dev Ji once was sent to the school for studying, but he was not at all interested in studies. He was beyond the imagination of everyone. His teacher told that he had a lot of knowledge. So he took him back to his father's home and told him that he has a lot of knowledge beyond everyone's knowledge. So his father sent him for grazing the buffaloes in the field. But the buffaloes grazed all the fields. But when the people came back, the fields were okay. Nothing happened to the fields. The people were shocked. Once Baba Nanak was resting on the field, then the sunshine was spread near his face, and then the snake came forward and with his hood, it protected it from the sunshine. By seeing it, everyone was very shocked that the cobra or the snake is not hitting or biting Baba Nanak. It means there is a divine spirit and enlightenment on Baba Nanak's face. He is the messenger of God. Everyone was shocked. Guru Nanak Dev Ji was married with Mata Sulakshmi. They gave birth to two children, Sri Chand and Lakshmi Das. They were the two sons of Guru Nanak Dev Ji. Once Guru Nanak Dev Ji's father gave 20 rupees to do the Sacha Sauda, that is real business. So Guru Nanak Dev Ji went to the forest, but he saw the hungry saints. He thought of serving the langar with those 20 rupees. He returned back home. His father scolded him that, "What have you done with those 20 rupees? He told, "I have served the hungry saints with those 20 rupees. I have done the real business." Guru Nanak Dev Ji, that is the first Guru of the Sikhs, was the first person to start the ritual of langar, and this ritual of langar is prevalent till today. November 1504, Jairam, husband of Bibi Nanki, called Baba Nanak in Sultanpur. Here, Daulat Khan kept him as a gardener. In Sultanpur, Baba Nanak did his job nicely, and he also did a lot of meditation. It is said that once Guru Nanak Dev Ji went to the Beg river for bathing, but unfortunately he did not return for 3 days. After 3 days he returned. Then people saw the divine light spread above his head, and the Bani of Japji Sahib was uttered from his mouth, and he started preaching religious preachings everywhere. He started doing meditation and started spreading humanity everywhere. It is said that Manas ki jaat sabe eke pehchan bo. All the religions are equal and all the religions must be treated equal according to Guru Nanak Dev Ji. Guru Nanak Dev Ji main teachings included Naam Japna, Van Chakna and Kirat Karna. Naam Japna means chanting the holy name of God. Van Chakna means sharing with others or helping those who are in need. Kirat Karna means earning or living honestly without fraud. So these are the main teachings of Guru Nanak Dev Ji. Guru Nanak Dev Ji wanted the people to lead an honest life and remember God in every deed. Langar is spread. This ritual of Langar is spread today also. Nanak Dev Ji urged the people to lead a spiritual life by serving others and by leading an honest life. But unfortunately in 1539, he left for the heavenly abode in Kartarpur. But Guru Nanak Dev Ji, 9 other gurus followed his teachings and continued to spread the message of Ikonkar, that is God is one, Naam Japu, Van Chaku and Kirat Karo. The message of Guru Nanak Dev Ji will inspire us all every